Are you sick and tired of spending all that time, energy, money, lugging those heavy jugs of water into the health food store, spending $20 a week just to stay hydrated? You are not alone. Luckily, we've got an all-in-one solution that for $1 a day, you can enjoy the great tasting benefits of alkaline water right underneath your very own sink. With whole home filtration installed in your home, you'll enjoy the clean, crisp, pure taste of water every time you open your tap. Did you know that a whole home water filtration system is actually designed to work with the cold water straight from your water line and not the heated water from your water heater? This is why it's absolutely crucial to install your water treatment system before your water heater. But luckily, we've got both water heaters and whole home filtration systems waiting to be installed in your home. Your Hero 385 system provides the best tasting water that you've ever tasted. You're as excited about this as I am and you want to get this system installed by this weekend? Please call your friendly EcoWater specialist and we can introduce you to a few different water softener options that can be easily installed in your home, can remove those hard water stains, and you can have the dinner parties of your dreams without water stains. We are so excited to share that we've got an alkaline filter that will integrate with your system. Now, to learn a little bit more about this or to find out how it can integrate in your home, go ahead and tap the link below or give us a call for more information. We will gladly answer any questions that you have.
EcoWater, your water perfected.